Ever wondered why health experts constantly emphasize the importance of omega-3 fatty acids in our diet? Well, let's embark on an enlightening journey to understand this a bit better. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fat our bodies need but can't create on their own. As a result, we must rely on our diet to supply them. These essential nutrients come in three main types: alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, eicosapentaenoic acid, known as EPA, and lastly, docosahexaenoic acid, which we'll call DHA. ALA is an essential fatty acid, meaning our bodies cannot produce it, so we must obtain it from our food. It's commonly found in plant sources, like flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Then we have EPA and DHA, often grouped together due to their similar health benefits. These are readily available in oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Now you may be wondering, why are these omega-3 fatty acids so important? Well, they play crucial roles in maintaining our overall wellness. They're like the unseen heroes of our health, working diligently behind the scenes to keep our bodies functioning at their best. Omega-3 fatty acids are integral to the structure and function of our cells. They help construct cell membranes, maintaining their flexibility and fluidity. This might sound like a minor role, but having supple cell membranes is vital for the efficient exchange of nutrients and waste products. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids are involved in producing hormones that regulate blood clotting, contraction, and relaxation of artery walls and inflammation. In simpler terms, they help our blood flow smoothly, our arteries stay flexible, and they moderate our body's inflammatory responses, and the benefits don't end there. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to a multitude of health benefits, particularly for our heart and brain, which we will explore in detail in the upcoming scenes. So, now that we know what omega-3 fatty acids are and where to find them, let's delve into their significant role in our health. Stay tuned to learn more about the wonders of these essential nutrients and their impact on our well-being. Did you know that omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in maintaining our heart health? Let's delve into that a bit more. Omega-3 fatty acids are like the superheroes of the nutritional world. They swoop in, cape-fluttering, to help our bodies in numerous ways, and one of the major areas they support is our heart health. One of the ways omega-3 fatty acids do this is by lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer, often showing no symptoms until it's too late. But omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce blood pressure levels in people with high readings. This is a significant benefit, as keeping blood pressure in check can help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Another feather in the cap of omega-3 acids is their ability to reduce triglycerides. Triglycerides are a type of fat in your blood, and when their levels get too high, they can lead to heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids can lower these levels, keeping the heart healthier and happier. But that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids also decrease the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation and slowing the formation of plaques in the arteries. By doing so, they help maintain the elasticity of the artery walls, promoting better blood flow and reducing the chance of blockages that can lead to heart attacks. But what if you have already suffered a heart attack? Can omega-3 fatty acids help? Absolutely. Studies have shown that they may decrease the risk of sudden death for people who have already had a heart attack. Omega-3 fatty acids are truly remarkable. They are like a multi-tool in the world of nutrition, providing a wide range of benefits for our heart health, from lowering blood pressure and reducing triglycerides to decreasing the risk of heart disease. They are a powerhouse of heart-healthy goodness. Clearly, the heart loves omega-3s, but what about the brain? Let's find out. Our brains might not beat like our hearts, but they sure need omega-3s to function optimally. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of omega-3 fatty acids and brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are like the super fuel for your brain. They're the building blocks of the brain's cells and pathways. They are essential for the proper functioning of the neurons, the specialized cells that transmit information throughout our brain and body. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went in there, or struggled to recall a particular word or name? Omega-3s can help with that. They play a crucial role in memory and cognitive function. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, is particularly important for brain health. It helps improve the fluidity of cell membranes in the brain, which enhances memory and cognitive functions. But the benefits of omega-3s don't stop at memory and cognition. They're also essential for our overall mental health. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in omega-3s have a lower risk of depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. This is because omega-3s help increase the production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, and reduce inflammation in the brain, which is often linked to mental health conditions. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids are also instrumental in brain development and function throughout all stages of life. From supporting the development of the fetal brain during pregnancy to helping delay cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's in later life. So it's clear that omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in brain health, enhancing everything from memory and cognitive function to mood and mental well-being. They're not just good for your heart, but they're also a key ingredient for a healthy and well-functioning brain. Our hearts and brains both thrive on omega-3s. But are there any other benefits? Stay tuned to find out. Omega-3 fatty acids are not just for our hearts and brains. They offer a plethora of other health benefits as well. Beyond their more discussed roles, these power-packed nutrients have a far-reaching impact on various aspects of our health. Let's delve a bit deeper into the other benefits that omega-3s bring to the table. Firstly, these fatty acids play a significant role in reducing inflammation in the body. You see, inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection. It's essential for our survival, but sometimes this process can go into overdrive, leading to chronic inflammation. That's where omega-3s come in. They can help keep this inflammation in check, reducing the risk of several chronic diseases. Next up, let's talk about eye health. Our eyes are our windows to the world, and omega-3s help keep them functioning at their best. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids, specifically a type called DHA, are a major structural component of the retina, the part of our eye that captures and processes light. So a deficiency in this nutrient could potentially lead to vision problems. Now, who doesn't want healthy, glowing skin? Omega-3s contribute to skin health by maintaining the health and integrity of the skin cell membrane. This membrane is crucial as it provides a barrier that keeps harmful substances out, holds water in for proper hydration, and absorbs vital nutrients. Plus, omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help manage several skin conditions. Additionally, these fatty acids are beneficial for our joints as well. They can increase the amount of calcium in our bones, which can lead to improved bone strength. Furthermore, they can also reduce joint pain and stiffness, particularly in people with rheumatoid arthritis. So, omega-3s are indeed a jack of all trades. But how can we ensure we are getting enough of them? Getting enough omega-3s is simpler than you might think. It's not about drastically changing your diet, but rather incorporating a few omega-3 rich foods into your everyday meals. To start with, seafood is a fantastic source of omega-3s. If you enjoy fish, aim to have at least 2 servings of fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines per week. These fish are not only delicious, but also packed full of the omega-3 fatty acids that your body needs. For those who prefer plant-based diets, fear not. There are plenty of omega-3 rich foods for you too. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3. They can be easily added to your morning smoothie or sprinkled over a salad. Walnuts and hemp seeds are also full of omega-3s. They make a great snack or can be used as a topping for your breakfast cereal or yogurt. What about omega-3 supplements, you might ask? Well, they can be a practical solution for those who struggle to get enough omega-3s from their diet, especially if you have dietary restrictions or allergies. However, it's always best to get your nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. If you decide to go the supplement route, it's crucial to choose high-quality products and to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for you. Of course, incorporating omega-3s into your diet is not just about adding new foods, it's also about paying attention to the quality of the foods you eat. Opt for wild-caught fish over farm-raised ones, as they tend to have higher omega-3 content. Similarly, choose grass-fed meats over grain-fed ones, as they also contain more omega-3s. So there you have it. A few simple tips to help you incorporate more omega-3s into your diet. But remember, it's not just about adding omega-3s. It's about creating a balanced and nutritious diet that meets all your nutritional needs. Remember, a diet rich in omega-3s leads to a healthy heart, a sharp mind, and a well-functioning body. So don't forget to add these essential fatty acids to your shopping